Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session we learn the operator overloading in C++. So first I share my laptop screen and here fix the go so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here turbo C++ is there. Just try select and process. Now is yes open and taking Alt F file menu and taking new file. And here our goal binary operator overloading using member function. So I already take one video lecture as a binary operator overloading using member function, but here we can take meter and centimeter, so distant class. So we can say that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and there is a spelling sometime that write like here meter is a that write re, so that spelling is British and American some difference, but we can take like meter or routine. So that is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so we can apply this formula. Okay, first I include the header file, that iostream.h, and then console input output conio.h and our class, and that is a distance. Okay, and we can declare the class declaration, and that here take that is a measurement. So we can take some big data, so we can take the float data type, and that is a meter and centimeter cm. So also you can take some. Okay, so m for meter and cm for centimeter, just two or one character or instant variable name. And then here public section, and then default constructor. So that is a distance, and that we can initialize some like m equal to 0.0 and centimeter equal to 0.0. Okay, and here then distance take two parameterized constructors, so float a and float b. We can initialize our meter and centimeter, so a for meter and cm for centimeter. We can pass to two parameterized constructor, and then we can take one show member, and that is just print. So here we can say that the meter and centimeter are, just first print the meter and then use the set w, set width and phi, and then can print, but meter is our only m variable, so here, and then cm, so you can take the short value, also take the endl, so manipulators. Okay, so here one header file is required because we can set w, set width, so that is a manipulators, and endl also, but iomanip.h input output manipulators. Okay, and now our main target, and that is a binary operator overloading, and we can also pass or return the object with argument. In binary operator overloading, member function taking only one argument. Okay, and friend function you can use, there are two arguments, so here we can use the member function. So here that first we can our distance, that is a return data type, then operator is a keyword and plus sign, and then one argument, and that is a same as a because only one argument is required, so because that is a member of class. You can also use the friend technique, but here I use the member technique. And first we can save, so we can say that distance, and that is meter and centimeter, so m and cm. Okay, so maximum, yes, m and cm, so you can identify, or you can just give the meter, but m cm distance, so you can identify meter and centimeter, and just press enter. So let's save. Okay, we can now definition of member function. So first is a return data type, that is a class name, and then class name again. So there are two types. So first is a return data type, and second is a class membership and scope resolution operator. Okay, now we can take here operators, yes, and then plus, that is our member function name, and then distance, and we can take like tm, tm1. Okay, so we can identify. And now opening closing brace, and here also local one object, that is define the distance, and temp dot meter equal to meter plus tm1 dot meter. That is, first we have to take the meter sum, and then temp dot centimeter cm equal to cm plus temp 1 dot cm. So without object we have to write m and cm, that is considered to the left hand color object, and that tm1 and cm, tm1 dot m and tm1 dot cm, that is considered as a object. So that is a right hand side object that pass into that argument, and that is we can sum. Okay, so left and right, you have to know, I think, very well rules. Left operand is a caller and right is a passing to argument in operator member function. Okay, now we can what to do if that condition we have to define, because our meter is a greater than 100, so we can convert into the centimeter is a greater than 100, so we convert into the meter. So temp dot cm is greater than or equal to 100, so that we can convert in the meter. So temp dot m equal to temp dot m again, and plus and parenthesis. So what to do, temp dot cm, and we can divide by 100, so that because our 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, so we can centimeter divide by 100, so that is a convert into the meter. Okay, so now what to do if any remaining, that we can also take centimeter remaining. So temp dot centimeter equal to temp dot centimeter, and then module 100, so remaining all are coming to centimeter. And here one technique is that is short, but if no, here modulo or equal to, so we cannot write here two times. So here that is like so that is a full form is same, I write in comment line tm dot centimeter equal to tm dot centimeter and modulo 100, that is full form. So that is a compound assignment operator short technique. So whenever any statement use two times same variable, use here temp dot cm two same time in one statement, so we can take the short technique, otherwise not taking. So two different variable we cannot use, but same variable repeat in two times, that is we can write only one time. That is a advantages of this short technique, you can understand. And here also we can convert plus here, like plus and equal, so that is a here remove this only, that is a also possible, that is a short technique. Okay, so that is the same full form. Yes, here I also write for you. So temp dot m equal to temp dot m, and then plus sign and parenthesis same semicolon, and temp dot cm divide by 100. So that is a full form and short form both, right? So you can understand. Okay, now our turn to main function, and first we can pass the static value. So first I clear the screen, yes, and then distance, define the d1, d2 and d3, that is a default constructor call all d1, d2, 3, and then we can pass some two parameterized constructor value. So I can, there are two techniques we can call the constructor, implicit and explicit. So here is a implicit word. Now I write here explicit. So what distance, and we can pass two parameter, like I pass 5,000 and then centimeter is there. So 6,500. Okay. And then we can print also. So, but I give some message so we can understand. So here D1 object, and then we can print D1 dot show. That is, we have already take one show member. And then same, I just copy these three line and paste, because our second D2 object, same process taking. So here we can change like 3,000, and here also some small value, so we can easily calculate. Okay, here D2 distance 2, and here also show. And now turn to our main goal, D3 equal to D1 plus D2. So that is a, that call is a implicit technique, that is also implicit and explicit. So here plus is a operator overloading, and that is D1 is a calling and D2 is a pass. Okay, so D1 is a caller and D2 is a passing the argument, because that is a member function. So plus is a or operator overloading. And now that is same, I just copy these two line. Okay, control insert and shift insert. So we can also print our D3. So D3, yes, first I deselect, so you can see, easily see, yes, now, and then get ch, yes, and so, and then I remove this blank. So yes, I just place to here, so deselect all. Okay, now I first save, yes, and then compile. Let us any first we can check, yes, any remaining our. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So we can convert into the centimeter to meter, smaller value to higher value. We can say that, because centimeter is a smaller measurement, and meter is some that big measurement or length. So yes, what yes, stamp, yes. So that is a undefined. Yes, what is this? Oh, sorry. Yes, here is a, I write the first class name, so that is I give the reverse order. So now is okay, and one illegal what's okay. So that is a short technique. Here is not work, because that not consider like module operator directly. So here we can compulsory write the full form module operator. Yes, not work. So modulo or equal. So arithmetic is all our work. Here is no error, but here is giving the error. So we can write the full form of this statement. So I remove this comment. Yes, that is two possibility I already write. So again, so TM modulo 100. Why that is a float. Yes, float value we cannot take. Not that that is not short form error, but that is a modulo. But we cannot take the module operator in float data type. So that giving, that is a rules. So we can violate that rules. Yes, that is a, because that is a short technique is perfect. But that is, we can define the our measurement in the float data type. So that is a module operator is not used. So we cannot take that module operator. So what to do? So here we can take the long integer data type, then that error is solved. Otherwise, we can also use the fmod function, that taking the modulo remainder. That also possibility. But here I use the long just integer data type. So that all are solved. So here also we can pass the long int. Okay, so that is a data type because we can give some long range. So long integer is there. Otherwise, the float, that module operator is a rules. So you cannot apply in float data type. Yes, so that is a rules here is hidden. So that is otherwise that short technique also we can use. That is an work, but just I again give the short technique, and here write again temp dot cm, and then equal temp dot again cn, and then modulo 100. Now is correct because we can pass the float data type, so that is not working. So range problem is there sometimes. So I give the float data type selection, but that is a module operator that goes is disturbed. So here we can also one statement is remaining, and that is a return object and temp. Then and then our sum is give to the D3 object distance 3. So then we can print here. Okay. So now yes, all are well. So yes, 8 and then 5 plus 3, 8,000, and here is a what is 9, and yes, that is a 10, and divide by, so 100 meter, all are zeros also. 8,100, that is a giving. So that is meter and centimeter, but we can some reminder is there taking. So here I give some reminder value for module centimeter. So like here I give 30, and here I give like 50. So 80 is a remaining, otherwise all are zero. So 80 is there. Okay, so very easily. So that is a sum that rules is module operator we cannot apply in the float data type. So that is a hurdles to here, but now we can solve that is. And also we can, if you take the float data type, that fmod function in math library is there, that taking the float reminder, that is also possible. Okay, so you can also use that, but here that finish because very simple. You cannot long this session because very simple binary operator overloading using member function, and meter centimeter we have to take. Okay, so 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, so we can divide 100 and modulo 100. So that is a short technique, is perfect work, but here modulo operator that rules you can only use in integer data type. So here I range problem solve, so we can take long integer, not only integer, because sometimes that giving the garbage value, because only that positive range is a 32,767. So we can give the uh, long meter that time, that is a giving negative value. So that is a, I think you can understand. Okay, so here one error is there and we can solve, and now that I also show how that error is there. Okay, so write this program to your note here. Distance first, write this class hall, that is we can define meter centimeter. You can also take the kilometer and meter, and then feet and each, and then hour and minutes, hour. Okay, and minutes, one hour is a 60 minutes, so you can also convert this minute to hour, that type of time class you have to take. Here distance class, and that very important, we can first sum that meter to meter our left and right. In normal we have to write the m, that is considered to d1, and temp, that is passing d2 left and right operand. So here normal we can write cm, m and cm, that consider the d1, and d2 is passing to the object as function argument, and return also object. And here 100 is greater than centimeter, so we can convert into the centimeter to meter, so divide by 100, and then also taking the remaining centimeter, and then return object also. Okay, and here we can pass the our two parameterized constructor. Okay, so only one possibility is there in this session, and that is we can take a dynamic value from user side. So here we can take a message also. So just enter D1 object A and B value, okay, values, and that is Cn, A and B. Yes, and we can pass here not static. Now we can give A and B. So that is a dynamic. You can runtime choice to pass the user value, and I copy, and here, yes, here is a paste. So same process, D2 object. So here we can also AB value, same variable use, and here pass the A and B value. Okay, and now that is, yes, there is no other change, and here that possibility, that is implicit calling. Now that statement, how it's work, I show you. So D3 equal to D1 is a caller. So how it's caller, uh, operator, that is keyword and plus sign, and that pass the D2, that argument, that is the same. That statement convert into this statement, that is explicit we have to call it. So let us check that also. So yes, there is no any error, and we can run. Yes, first we can pass argument. So I give the some different like 4,000, that is our meter, and you can also write the meter and centimeter AB, that message, so we can understand the pass the meter and centimeter value. So here we can pass the 1550. So some reminder value is there, centimeter. Okay. So that is a printed D1 object, meter and centimeter. Now we can get the idea that is meter and centimeter. But message time we cannot idea, just AB value. So what value we have to pass? So you can also change message. Okay. So enter meter and centimeter value, that type of message we have to pass. Okay, now we can 3000 and here 2530. Okay, so now yes, what sum? So yes, okay, I give only 300, not 3000. Okay, no problem. So 4,000 and 315, that is a converter first. Yes, so that is a correct answer. 80 is remaining. All are other like 1,000, 3,000 and 3 and 4,300. So that is a 4,340, that value, and 80 is remaining value module operator. So you can calculate to yourself. That is perfect answer. So one change is required. We cannot get the idea what is the AB value. So we can know, but any other if pass. So here we can write the meter, yes, and meter to A. That type also possible, but that so long message is there. So we can only meter and centimeter. That is it. So meter and centimeter. So we can idea that type of value we have to enter. So here same we can change the meter and centimeter. Okay, now again run, and we can get the idea. Yes, enter object meter and centimeter. So we can get idea. So I small value like 2000 and 2550. So some reminder value is there, and here only 1000. Okay, and 1530. 30 is already we have to 40. So 90, I think reminder is there. Yes, 90. So yes, now we can easily calculate. So 2000 and 1000, 3000, and other is a, we can say that 3000, 4000. So that is a converter divide by, so that is a 40. Yes, 4000 is divided by 100, so 40, and remaining 50 and 40, so 90. Yes, so that is a simple we have to calculate. So I think that is a perfect and one. And here I also explicit, but that is a we can already perfect here implicit is work, because we can, that is operator overloading. That is a we can say that oops always try to inbuilt data type how many statement possible. We can also possible in user defined data type. So normally we can like z integer x plus y. So operand is changed like two operand binary operator. So here to integer sum. So here to object sum. So giving the new meaning, new task and new behavior of existing operator, that is known as an operator overloading. To integer sum, to character, that ASCII code sum, to float, and to string, that concatenation. So operator is same, but new meaning, new behavior, new task, that is non-operator overloading. So now here I finish. Yes, first write our class to your note. Yes, that is our class. I just above, yes, all class is covered, and here only meter and centimeter we have to print. Okay, and then our main, that is a operator overloading using member function. uh, that is a if condition only. If greater than centimeter 100, being converting centimeter to meter and divide by 100. And modulo, first we can take float data type. Float data type rules is hurdles to our target to achieve. So I convert the long integer data type. Okay, so that is a very important point. And now that is a main. So here we can implicit and explicit both call, and here our that is default constructor, and here explicit. And also you can write the like default constructor. I just show you here we can directly pass like that is a implicit calling, two parameterized constructor. So I just give the idea. Yes, so so that is statement we cannot write. Okay, so that is a implicit calling, two parameter. Like here D1 is a default constructor implicit calling. So D2 is a implicit two parameterized calling implicit. Here we can write explicit. So that is also a possibility, but I just remove because all are well perfect, and we can all show the technique so you can get the idea. Okay, so now close this file and quit. Subscribe my channel Ashok Sejal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And any doubt or any question regarding this definition or any other programming or C++ programming, write in comment section. I give the answer definitely. So again, thanks and Hare Krishna.